Hello, everybody. Morning. It's Sunday morning. I come for my little walk. It's a beautiful day. See how nice it is outside? A little bit windy, but it's okay. There's the sun. That's my best friend. The sun keeps us warm. Yeah. That's where I'm from, Manitoba, Canada. So, just a little walk. But it's nice out. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah. Oh, look at what somebody had over here. Oh, yeah, it is really windy. See, they sat on that bench and they had twisted tea. See? Somebody had a little party. Yeah, somebody had a little party, yeah, on that bench. Yeah. Twisted tea, yeah. And yeah, I just come out for a walk. Yeah, it's nice. Look how beautiful it is. It's kind of windy, but yeah, it's very windy. Still nice. I had to come out, yeah. Come out for a walk. There's the bridge. There's the flag. That's where I came. Yeah, I came that way. And I'm heading on the path. But the path is really icy. I can't really walk on it. It's too icy, yeah. I'll show you it. Oh, gee. See the path? See how icy it is? Can't really walk on it. See, it's all the way down. You see how icy it is? Oh, gee. Yeah, I'm sinking in the snow. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I have to walk on the snow. Yeah, see? I'm walking there. Yeah, that's where I came from. I'm walking on the snow now. Yeah. Yeah, just walking. Walking and talking. See what I see. There, I made it. I made it. See all that ice there behind me? Holy, I couldn't walk on there. See that ice all the way down, all the way right here. Yeah, can't walk on that ice. I don't want to fall. Yeah. Well, it's kind of still winter here. Yeah, it's March. It's still icy. Yeah. See, look at all this ice. See that ice? That's the way I'm going. But it's icy. Yeah. Oh. Don't want to slip and fall. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Have to navigate through the ice. Look at the trees and everything's nice here today. Nice sky. Yeah, just a little bit of clouds, but it's nice. It's a nice day. Sunday. Nice Sunday. Go for a little stroll. Oh, I have to cross. Oh, there. There. I made it. Through some more, or that ice. There's more ice ahead. And the bridge. I just crossed a little bridge here. Yeah. I'm going down the path. Going for a little walk. Yeah. Oh, see? There's more here. There's one right there. A T. See another can. And there's another one right there on the bench. See? And another one on the ground. I guess they stopped and had a drink here too. Yeah. And there's another one. Yeah. Yeah. See, there's another one down there. Cans. Yeah. Now I'm walking on the snow. Can't walk on the path again, it's too icy. So I have to walk above the snow. Well, I'll switch it for a while. See? See the ice there? Then here's the snow. Somebody drove here, I think. Yeah, there's tracks. Or it might have been a little, one of those little ATVs. I want to go up to there and show you the river again. Yeah. There's a tree. There's some leaves still hanging on all winter. They didn't fall off the tree, all these leaves. See? They're still hanging on. Yeah. There's some clouds. Look at the clouds. They look nice. Little clouds. The sun. Oh, see. I'll keep walking. And I'll switch it back now. And there's me. Yeah, there's me again. I continue walking on the snow. Yeah. Yeah, I love walking. Yeah. I love walking and talking. But I can't wait till summer or spring. Or summer, yeah. Or spring and summer. So I could go walk somewhere else. Because all the snow will be gone. Then I could go walking somewhere else, yeah. Or different paths and all that, yeah. Different paths. Holy, they must have just walked and had a party at each bench. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because there's another can there. You see it? Then at this bench, there's another can. And over there, there's two more cans. And then there's another can there. Yeah, they stopped at every bench and had a drink. Yeah, that's quite a few cans. Yeah, they just went along, I guess. Had a drink here and there. Yeah. Oh, there. Now I can go on the path. See, it's pretty clear. See, it's here, it's clear. But back there, see all the ice? Yeah. Yeah, I'm just happy. Happy to be alive. Get up one more day. One more day in this journey we call life. Yeah. Oh, somebody ate a McFlurry. A McFlurry, see? Somebody came down here and ate it when they were walking, I guess. Yeah. See, look at that. Oh, here. Walking on the ice. Oh. Uh-oh. Pretty slippery, but I don't want to fall. More ice. Oh, somebody had a jammer blue. Somebody drank the juice. Yeah, I drank the juice down here. See how windy it is? It's blowing my toque. Yeah, my hood, not my toque. My hood. Oh, somebody was really thirsty. Okay, there's another jammer there. Two jammers and a bunch of cans, twisted cans at every bench. Lots of ice. Yeah, all I see on my hood. There, it's bugging me, rubbing on my head. Yeah, maybe next week it'll be, the ice will be moving. Or no, not next week, maybe a couple of weeks. Yeah. Still kind of frozen, icy and all that. Oh. I'm going to switch it again. I just want to show you the river. There's the bank. See? You can see some dead grass coming up. See the grass here? All the dead grass. See, it's getting really warm. Yeah, it's getting warmer. See the water or the ice starting to melt now. Yeah, a bit. There's still ice here. Yeah. Be careful here too, in the grass. Don't want to slip on that. See, there's the ice. Don't go on the ice. It's dangerous. Yeah. Holy, the wind picked up lots. Yeah, it's pretty windy now. Yeah, now it's windy. Holy. Just picked up all of a sudden. Blowing wind. Yeah. Blowing wind. I'll keep walking on the path a little bit. I can walk here. Yeah. There. There, I made it. Yeah, I made it back to the path. Keep walking a little bit. More ice, see? More ice. Be careful. There's lots of ice. I think I'll end my video pretty soon. There's a bag. See that bag? Just tied up in a, just blowing in the wind there. It's the bag. Yeah. Oh, it's nice, but a little chilly, but windy. Yeah, there's nobody walking. No, nobody walks on these days. It's pretty nice out. Yeah. Okay, that'll be my video for today. It's a short video, yeah. Well, it's not short. Whoever watches me on YouTube, thank you for subscribing to me and liking my videos. Okay, bye. Bye.